Hello guys, and welcome to FJ Success YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install rank maths on any WordPress website. So rank maths is an SEO plugin that allows you to set up SEO for any blog or WordPress website. So it's very easy to install. I'm going to walk you through the process. First off, you go to your plugins and you click on add new. Okay, so click on add new and it's going to take you to the WordPress repo. So over here we're going to type in rank maths and it should come up here very quickly. So this first one here, rank maths, click on install now and it's going to download this off the WordPress repo into your WordPress server. So click on activate, and once you click on activate, it's going to give you this setup wizard. So it's very easy. All you have to do is connect your account. So if I click on connect account, it's going to connect my rank math the rank math plugin from my WordPress website to the rank math website server here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on continue. You can use Google if you want. You can use email also. I'm just going to use my Google account, so I'm going to pause this video until this is done. Okay, so once you've added your Gmail account, it's just going to ask you for permission. All you have to do is select yes, and you're gonna get to this page. So the first thing here is the default plan you're gonna be on is the free plan. So just click on OK and activate now. So once you click OK and activate now, it's going to take you to the actual wizard on your site. So there are three different modes here. We have easy, advanced, and custom. Okay, but we're going to be using advanced for this specific tutorial. You can also go with easy, but I want to use advanced so I can show you every single thing that rank math has to offer. If you have the pro version, you can also go with the pro version. It's very similar with the advanced version, just some extra stuff. So just click on start wizard, and the first thing here, it's going to ask for a few details. It's going to ask if your WordPress website is a personal blog, a community blog, or something. So I'm just going to select personal blog. If you find that your website is not in any of these categories, just select other personal website or other business website. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as a blog. Then next up, you need to add in a logo. So you simply select the logo. I'm just going to select this and use over here. So this is the logo that's going to be displayed on Google whenever somebody searches for FJ Success. I'm also going to add a logo for social media share. So whenever you share the websites, any of your WordPress websites, and on social media, this is the logo that's going to be displayed. So I'm going to click on save and continue. So we'll move to the next step. So the next step here is connecting your account to Google services. So what this does is it actually links your WordPress website with Google Search Console. You can use this to track your page keyword rankings and analytics and extra stuff. Okay, and it also helps you automatically submit sitemap to Google Search Console. So this is quite important if you want your website to be indexed. But if you don't want to do this, you can click on skip. It's very straightforward. Just click on connect Google services and it's going to ask for permission from your email account. So I'm just going to do that quickly, but I'm going to pause the video so you don't see my Gmail credentials. So once you're at this part of the configuration, just click on allow. So what I did, I just selected an email from my Gmail account, and over here it's going to create a property for your website domain automatically. So as you can see here, we have rightmetrics.com automatically added to Search Console. You can also add your Google Analytics details here if you want, but I'm just going to leave this blank for this tutorial. And if you have an AdSense account, you can also add this. So what this whole services part of the rank math wizard does, it just simply connects your domain with all Google services. Okay, so once you're done with everything here, click on save and continue. So over here, you just leave everything here as it is. If you have a theme that has other post types, like custom post types, you can add them here, but by default it's just going to include posts and pages, and also going to make your taxonomies public. So categories are going to be public. You can disable this if you want, but I suggest you leave it checked. You can also remove images from your sitemap if you want, but by default this is active, and by default Rank Math is gonna generate sitemap for you. So if you already have another plugin or something else generating sitemap, you can disable this, but I'm just gonna leave this checked because this is the only SEO plugin we're using on this website. So click on save and continue. And over here the same thing, just leave everything as it is. All the settings here are already at their best. So we have no index, empty categories. So if a category is empty, it's not going to be indexed, and it's going to open external links automatically in new tabs. If you don't want this behavior, you can always disable this later on. So just click on save and continue, and that should be the end of the normal part of the setup. So at this point you already have everything that you need for a basic website. But if you want to take your SEO setup to another level, just click on setup advanced options, and you can set up things like role manager. So if you want to assign specific permissions to the user types on your WordPress website, you can do that over here. So you could make it possible for authors to change the title and meta of every single post. You can make it possible for them to add redirections and all that, but by default here everything is already set up pretty well. So just click on save and continue. And the next thing here is 404 monitor. So if you want to be able to track 404 links on your website, whenever someone types a page that doesn't exist, you can do that here. Just activate this, and it's Rank Math is going to collect all 404 instances. Also have redirect. So if you want to be able to redirect links on your WordPress website and you don't want to use an external plugin, Rank Math also allows that. So just click on save and continue. And we have Schema Markup. So this is like the final setup for Rank Math. So schema is just simply a type of markup that allows Google to understand your WordPress content, your website content. Okay, so it's structured data, just a simple way for Google to understand your blog post and your pages. So by default the schema type for your post is always going to be article, but you can change that to course if your website is a course website, if it's a job posting, music, products, or recipe. So that there are a lot of different things you can select here, but by default article is going to be selected, so I'm just going to leave that as article. Also here you can select article or blog post or news article. So if your WordPress website publishes news based articles, you can leave this checked, or if you publish just simple articles, you can also leave this as article. And if you publish just blog posts, you can leave this. These two are essentially the same thing, but if you have a blog, your website is just a blog, just make sure you're always using this. Okay, so scroll down for pages, so you don't need to change anything here. This is pretty much already set up. So click on save and continue. So once you're done with everything there, that's basically all the settings that you need for your website when it comes to Rank Math. Okay, so but you can actually add extra features here. So if you come over to Rank Math under dashboard, you can turn on AMP if you want. So you have to install the AMP plugin first, and if you check this, what it's going to do is Rank Math is going to help you configure your AMP pages to rank better on Google search. Okay, so I'm just going to disable this because I don't have AMP. Let's see, you also have image SEO. You can turn this on if you want, so it's going to supercharge your website and automate tags of adding art and title tags on your images. Okay, so there are a lot of features here, but basically once you're done with the setup wizard, everything should be up and running. Okay, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions related to Rank Math and this setup, don't hesitate to leave comments below. And if you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content. With everything covered about Rank Math, I'll see you guys in the next video.